Hello, John. Welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to be talking about list tag. I definitely have been thinking, what is this list tag again? So let's say now you want to list, maybe you go to a market and you have to list what you bought from the market, or you have to list some, let me say some a bit of information about anything, and you want to list them inside your website. So the best way is to use the list tags, which we have three types of list in HTML. We have the first list which is the unordered list, the second list which is the ordered list. The first one is unordered, while the second one is the ordered, and the third one which is the definition list. But I won't lie to you, the third one is not that much common, and most of people know about the only two. So, but I'm going to show you each one of them. So let's go. The first thing to do here is to open a new folder and then create a new folder and start in a list in maybe HTML. And I definitely want to open this up inside my code editor. So my code editor now, I do that perfect. And then I open a new file. I say index.html. And I definitely want to close this also, bring out the normal HTML template, change the title to lists item, let's say items. So now I say, let me add a h2 that says this is, let me say this below, let me just use the below, a list of foods. So I save and then I want to list the food. So the first one where I mentioned in my introduction is the unordered list. So why is the unordered? You are going to understand now. So the unordered list starts with the OL, the UL. U means unordered and the L means list. So I hit on enter. It's open this tag up, and then inside it's going to be nested an LI tag, which is actual list of the item. So let me just type in some food. Let me see rice. Let me see rice, and then let me just see another LI. I want to list the second item. Let me see beans, and then let me say the third one should be 80. So I don't know if it is a food, but actually it's a food. So let's save. And then I want to open this up inside my browser and copy that. Then I actually paste it here, and you can see this is rice. It's listed with a bullet point. This is what we call bullet point, and that's why it's called on other list UL, because it lists them with a bullet point. So but you can change it to anything you want, but this is perfect. And to change them, maybe I'm going to be writing some little bit of CSS and stuff. So if you really enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I talk about three list tags. I know by now you're thinking that I just show you one. So the next one will be in my next coming videos. So stay along. See you in the next one.